Welcome to the first in a 5-video series on building shelves. This particular shelf is mahogany and white oak. At the end of this video, you should be able to make the same shelf. It's white oak. It's offcuts from a previous project. This is mahogany from my reclaimed bed video. I'm gonna measure it out. We're gonna go notch out the white oak to accommodate for this shelf. I'm gonna go ahead and transfer some measurements from the shelves to here. I'm gonna do a 3/16 inch notch down the sides for this to nest into. I'm going to cut inside these lines. Three-sixteenths of an inch. You should carve right to the middle and then flip your piece around so you don't tear the backside out. I'm flattening this so I can get a good thickness to cut the shelf piece. Just a little bit closer. I need to notch this out. I'm going to take off 1 1/16. So this is a 1/2 of an inch. It's got graduations up here too, so.
My father told me I was timid child. At school they said I had no style. I was dreaming to be those cool kids, but I can't afford on my whole teenage life. Now I've been many places, all these years. I used to cry overnight, but now I'm not gonna fit. I guess the stars show me where I go, just like I knew you were. And I'm fluttering sounds and smiles. Oh, we're coming home tonight. You never know how to express your feeling, don't you? Oh, we're coming home tonight. My father told me I was born to run. Long way from home, he never doubt peace, son. Don't call me back until your dreams come true, but I pray for you, be always by your side. Now I've been many places all these years. I used to cry overnight, but now I'm not gonna fit. I guess the stars that show me where I go, just like I knew you were. And life is nothing but a simple song. Don't worry, Daddy.
Just use one of these style clamps. Square it. Take your chisel. You can brace and hold it here and chisel as needed. There it is, ready for a coat of finish. Decisions. I'm gonna go with this though. And the old iPhone, no cracks. How that happened, I have no idea. Check out my previous video where I took apart the mahogany bed. Modern minimalist shelf.